we're playing battle. We're gonna. Oh yeah, guys. I have this game. See, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get it soon. But promise not to see what's gonna happen next. It's gonna be a good game, and it's gonna be good. Good. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh my gosh, a great game and really like the game. Good graphics. Wait, what? Oh dang, Game coming soon. In the next video, in a few seconds. JK. It's gonna be in a few minutes, so guys. Be patient. When it's done at download, I'm gonna end the video because yeah, we're about to play some Duty Driver 5 tricks. Yeah, I need to get my screen recorder ready. After that, I'm gonna do freaking show my face. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. 2 minutes. You know what? Why can't I just delete this part and let's just right? Yeah. Bye guys. Mom will be playing this soon. We're about to be playing this game right here. Duty Driver Fire Chocolate. Bye everybody.